What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn your Windows computer into a greater thing, okay? Basically, you're gonna be removing anything that Windows adds on your computer and you do not want to use and just slows your computer down, all into a simple and really effective way. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to Google and type Chris Titus Tool, okay? Go to the first result on GitHub, click on it, scroll it down just a little bit, and copy the open PowerShell, okay? Just click right here to copy. Now, go to your starter panel on your computer, click with the right button over the start icon of your mouse, okay? And click on Terminal, Admin, say yes. Now, right here, we're gonna paste the code and type Enter. And this is what you're gonna open, okay? This is a dashboard that you can enable or disable anything on your computer. I recommend you to go to Tweaks. Once on Tweaks, I recommend you to keep all onto the standard option. There is minimal, in the case that I want, advanced, clean, and in every option you click, it's gonna set on your computer the set of options. For example, customize preferences, essential tweaks, advanced tweaks, and into every one, you're gonna be installing or removing things, okay? The standard is the easier one and the best and most recommended one for beginners, okay? So go to standard and go to run tweaks or undo selected tweaks, okay? Up to you. And now the program gonna loads every tweak that you would like to use, okay? And your computer can be really faster. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.